Hi everyone, welcome to mycutetoons. Today we're going to draw Julius the cat. This is also a very old cartoon, I think also from 1926. So let's grab our pencils and let's begin. Right, so we're going to start with the head. We're going to make a circle. There we go. I'm just going to make a rough circle like this. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to divide the circle. So I'm going to divide it like this, from the top to the bottom, this side around. And then here, I'm going to bring a line down. So I'm going to do it like this. So this is our guidelines. Now, right here, I'm going to draw a little nose. Just rough, we're just going to rough it in. Then right on top here, I'm going to use a center line and I'm going to draw an oval like this. Now on this side, I'm going to make a bigger oval because it's closer to us. There we go. So we'll do something like that. Right. Then from underneath the nose here, we're just going to draw a line up and we're going to draw the corner of the mouth right there. And then from here, we're just going to draw a pupil and I'm going to draw another pupil. And as usual, I'm going to put in a light reflection as well. Now right on top, I'm going to take a line maybe from the pupil up to here and I'm going to just draw a little ear right there. Now from here, I'm going to do a skew line up again. And sort of between these two eyes, I'll draw another ear, but just a little bit smaller. And then we can finish off with this. And then on this side, I'm just going to do a line around because the top part is black. Right, now that we have that, I'm going to measure my pencil and I'm going to go down roughly about here and I'm going to make a line. So it's going to be the same as the head, just below, the same distance. And this is going to be Julius's body. Now I'm going to go and I'm going to go from the pupil straight down and then right here I'm just going to curve it out a little bit like this. And then from underneath the nose right there, I'm going to curve out a line also like this. So I'm just going to make a line like this. And now I'm going to draw the body. I'm going to make it a bit round and I'm going to use that marker that I made, and here I'm just going to make it a bit round here as well. So there we have the body. Then the next thing we want to do, we're going to draw arms, and I'm just going to draw next to the body a ball, and then at that side I'm going to draw a smaller ball. So that's going to be the fists, and then right here I'm going to draw the arm. Now from this ball I'm going to bring a line back and I'm going to connect it, and then here I'm going to do something like this. And now that I have that, right here in the ball, I'm going to make a line down and I'm going to make another line like this, and this is going to be a hand. Now on this side I'm going to bring a line out, and then from Felix's head I'm going to curve it over, and then I'm going to do again a line here and curve it back. So there we have the two arms with the fists. Now next thing we're going to do, we're going to measure this as well. So let's measure it. I'm going to look right there, I'm going to bring it down up to around here, and I'm going to make another line, and this is going to be Julius's feet. So let's draw. Now I'm going to draw a little leg, just a line going down, make it to the bottom. We're gonna, and this one, maybe I'm going to curve it out this way, like this. Now here, I'm going to do the inside again of the leg. Now this is going to be the inside, and I'm just going to draw it sort of straight down. This is going to be the bottom of Julius's foot, and I'm just going to make a big ball back, like this. Bottom of Julius's foot, and again, another big ball back. So there we have the legs. And then finally, let's do the tail. So I'm just going to go here from the fist and I'm going to draw a tail, bring it back to the body. Great, so there we have it. Now let's take our Sharpie and let's go over the lines that we've drawn. Now again, remember we can change it a bit. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change my eyes a little bit. So I'm just going to, or you can use an eraser and just take your pencil. So I'm going to draw a little eye there, a little bit bigger, and I'm going to draw another eye right here. And then of course my pupil, I'm going to make my pupil a little bit bigger, and I'm going to do a C inside there to make a light reflection here, bottom, and I'm going to do the C right here as well. Now a little bit lower, I'm going to do my nose. So there we go, there's the nose, and then I'm going to go from here now right on top. I'm going to start and I'm going to just go around, touch the eye, make it nice and round, come this side around, just remember, yes, the shoulder, and I'll just leave that line open. And then of course I'm going to just draw this part that's going to be black, and the 2 ears. There we go. Now what we can do, let's fill the face in, and then we'll go down to the body. Next we're going to draw the arms. Now I'm going to do the forearm, I'm going to do the fist right there, and then I'm just going to do the bottom of the forearm, and I'll just make the fist right there, bring it all the way back, go past the head, and then bring it back. So there we have one arm. Now I'm going to do the body first. Now right here I'm going to make it a bit wider. I want to change it a bit. There we go, and then just the bottom, I'll make it bigger, nice and round, bring it back to the head. And then right here, I'll just draw the fist. There we go, the arm connecting, and I'm going to bring it back. And then we can fill this part in as well. We'll just draw the tail, and we're going to fill the tail in as well. And then lastly, the legs. So let's go over the lines, and then when we're finished, we can fill the legs in as well. And there we go, and there's Julius. Now when your ink is dry, you can erase the pencil lines, and I'm sure your picture will look absolutely amazing. Thank you for drawing with me. Please don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.